nature. Today I'm talking about lizards, and this lizard is a green anole, and he is a reptile. He is a hatchling, and that means he hatches out of an egg, and this one is because he's very young. And he is great for climbing because he has little folds on his feet. And even though people call him chameleons, then he is not a chameleon. He only changes to green to brown, and the chameleons do better. And he lives into trees a lot. And to get a girlfriend or to scare away other males, then the male ones will puff out their throats as a light pink kind of, and then he would do push-ups. And if you don't like bugs, then you should have them around your house a lot.
Because what will they do to the bugs?
Because they can eat bugs a lot. So get out there and explore nature, because nature rocks.